Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorials, and the topic is Norton's and Thevenin's theory. First, we need to solve this Norton's theory with a given of 10 volts, R1 equals 4 ohms, R2 equals 2 ohms, R3 equals 5 ohms, and RL equals 3 ohms, with a required of Rn and In. First, we need to make a short circuit to get the Rn. 4 ohms, 2 ohms, 5 ohms, A to B Rn. To get the Rn, with the formula of R3 plus R1 parallel of R2, and substitute the number. Rn equals 5 ohms plus 4 ohms parallel of 2 equals 5 plus 4 times 2 over 4 plus 2 equals 6.33 ohms. Next, we need to get the In with a given of 10 volts, 4 ohms, 2 ohms, 5 ohms, A to B In. To get the In, we need to use In equals I times 2 over 2 plus 2. This we have to solve the I first. I equals V over R. Then substitute the number 10 over 4 plus 5 times 2 over 5 plus 2 equals 1.84 ampere. Then we need to substitute this I to get the In. In equals I times 2 plus 2 plus 5. Then we need to substitute 1. We have I of 1.24 times 2 over 1 plus 5 equals 0.525 amperes. Next, we need to get the In with a given of In equals 0.525 amperes and Rn equals 6.33 ohms and RL equals 3 ohms. To get the In, we need to multiply 0.525 times 6.33 over 6.33 plus 3. And the answer is 0.356 ampere. Next, we need to solve this Thevenin's theory with a given of 4 ohms, 4 ohms, 8 ohms, 10 ohms, and 5 ohms. To get the RTH, we need to input 4 parallel of 4 plus 8 parallel of 10, then equals 4 times 4 over 4 plus 4 plus 8 parallel of 10 equals 2 plus 8 parallel of 10 equals 10 times 10 over 10 plus 10. Then the answer is 5 ohms. Next, we need to solve this IN, I1, R1, I2, R2, and VTH with a given of 5 volts, 5 ohms, 5 ohms. To get the IN, we need to solve 5 over 5 plus 5 equals 1/2 or 0.5 amperes. Next, so we need to solve I1 with a formula of Vs over R1. First, we need to solve this R1 to substitute to get the I1. R1 equals 8 plus 10 parallel of 4 plus 4 equals 18 times 4 over 18 plus 4 plus 4 equals 80 over 11 ohms. Then substitute the R1 to get the I1. 20 over 80 over 11 equals 20 times 11 over 80. Then the answer is 11 over 4 or 2.75 amperes. Next, we need to solve this I2. I2 equals 4 times I1 over R2. Then substitute the I1 and R2. 4 times 2.75 over 22. And the answer is 11.22 or 1/2 or 0.5 amperes. Next, R2. R2 equals
8 plus 10 plus 4 equals 22. Then the last is VTH. VTH equals 0.5 times 10 equals 5 volts. That's all. Thank you.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय